Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USA Clean for 12 years, and this is the Bulldog WD20 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So if you have a damaged top solution filter or severely clogged one and you can't clean it and you need to replace it, toss it, whatever, take the lid, open it up, take the old solution filter, throw it away, clean it if you can, get your new one, put it back in, close the lid, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.